Hi there. In my previous video, I compiled xv6 on Mac. In this video, I'll show you how you can compile it on Linux. I'll be using a laptop running Lubuntu or Lubuntu, which is a lightweight Linux distro, incorporating the Ubuntu kernel. These steps should work on pretty much any Linux computer. But if you're using a virtual machine and you want to follow through on the same OS, you can download the ISO file from the link in the description. Keep in mind that this laptop is 32-bit. For 64-bit computers or VMs, there is one extra step to perform, which I'll explain later. Without further ado, let's open our terminals and get started. Let's start by installing qemu with sudo apt-get install qemu. With qemu installed, we can try cloning the Git repository where the xv6 code resides. We'll do it using the git clone command. The link for the Git repository is in the description. But in this case, it didn't work because the Git commands aren't installed. And it's given me a prompt asking me to enter sudo apt-get install git, which I'll do right now. Now that the git commands have been installed, I can use git clone followed by the URL. You don't have to type it out like me, you can just copy it from the description. With the download done, we can do cd xv6 public and then ls to see all the files that have been downloaded. We can try entering make, but make is also not installed, so I'll enter sudo apt-get install make. We can try executing make now, but it gives an error. This error is the same as what was there on Mac, so there's nothing to worry. All we have to do is install the build essentials. The first command is sudo apt-get install build essential. Note that essential is singular and not plural. Make sure the hyphens are in the right place, or you can just copy this command from the description. Next, we will install gcc-multilib, which helps compile programs for different architectures. At this point, everything we need has been installed. Now it's safe to execute make. The kernel has successfully been compiled. We can execute make qemu-nox to start xv6. Finally, xv6 is up and running. We can try ls to see our list of 21 commands excluding cd. And that's about it. To quit xv6, press Ctrl A and then enter the X key. If you're on a 64-bit computer, then there is one more change to make to get xv6 to work. Head over to the make file, which is present in the xv6 public folder. Go to line number 54 and change the line to qemu equal to qemu-system-x86_64. I performed this on console using Vim, but you can just do this with any regular text editor. I'll repeat that this is for 64-bit systems. You don't have to do this if you have a 32-bit computer. And if you don't want to do this step, then you can install a virtual machine with a 32-bit operating system. And that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you again soon.